Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you the fastest way to make your bed in the morning. Oftentimes people don't even make their beds because they think that it's too much work. But I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to make your bed faster than ever before. So you can see right here I'm laying in my bed, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off by fixing the bottom of the bed. So you want to fix the covers at the bottom of the bed, make sure that they're nice and flat, hanging off the side and roughly centered on the bed. Then you're going to lay back down, and then you're going to get the side that you're not sleeping on, and you're going to go ahead and make that side of the bed like this. So you're literally making the bed with you in it, okay? Now next what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the bottom, the middle of the bed at the top, like that, and I'm slowly bringing myself out of the bed. And once I remove myself from the bed, all that I have to do is get this little part that I was sleeping on, and you're good to go. And that's it. That is literally how to make your bed in the fastest way possible in the morning. It's actually really easy to do. It just takes a little bit of practice and effort, and you'll be good to go. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.